This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We've had some rain and thunderstorms today, and it has been much needed for Grand Rapids. Over 0.6 of an inch of rain, which basically doubles our July rainfall just from today's rain. And a lot of other spots across West Michigan have picked up anywhere from 1/4 inch to a little more than 1/2 inch, with more rain to come since it is still currently raining in a lot of spots. We do still have a severe thunderstorm watch for everyone highlighted in pink, basically 96 and south through 8 p.m. for some storms capable of damaging wind gusts and large hail. This has been a largely underperforming event in terms of the severe weather activity, which we do hope continues, but the rain has been a very, very nice thing to get today. Gusty winds are going to be our biggest threat overall. We did just get a new severe weather outlook, which reduced us down into the slight risk as opposed to the enhanced risk, all except for southwest lower Michigan. So the next couple of hours, we're still going to be focusing at least the possibility of a few storms down across Van Buren County and southwest that could occasionally be strong to severe, but I think the rest of us are looking okay in that regard. There has been this area of heavier rain and gustier winds hovering just south of Grand Rapids across parts of southwestern Kent County, really from the south side of downtown towards Wyoming and Kentwood and Byron Center, even Caledonia. And that's also where we found some wind gusts of around 35 miles an hour. So this is probably the most concerning thing in the near future, is just some brief gusty winds across Grand Rapids and the greater Grand Rapids area. The rest of us look to be okay. You can see all of the raindrops on the camera here and traffic starting to pick up. But temperatures have fallen significantly behind the rain. They were in the 80s earlier. Now we're in the 70s, but it is super muggy out there, and it will continue to be this way until the cold front kind of forcing all of this. Still pretty far to the north, but once it pushes through, it'll push all of the rain and thunderstorm activity to our south, and we'll end up with a pretty quiet rest of the week. It's just going to be the next few hours could be a little dicey for some. See, even for the next hour or two across southwest lower Michigan, some of these storms could be a little bit stronger. Again, 40 to 60 mile an hour winds are probably what we'll deal with generally speaking, but some of those storms could cross that severe threshold and have 60 to 70 mile an hour winds. Once we get to about 7, though, all of that activity is diminished. Everything we've had today has kind of worked the atmosphere over. There's not a ton of energy left. So a few storms as that cold front comes in may get going once again north and east of Grand Rapids, east of 131 through the early overnight, but those are all expected to stay to the east. And then we are pretty much free and clear for the rest of the work week. Most of us will pick up another maybe 1/10 to 1/4 inch of rain, with a few spots maybe getting more than that, but it will be very isolated in terms of those high amounts. Overall temperatures tonight falling into the 60s, and will be a little bit less humid coming up here. It will take a little while for some of that to clear out, but tomorrow does look very nice. We'll have morning clouds and some afternoon sunshine. Temperatures mostly in the 80s, but because of how windy it is, there is a beach hazard statement, and our waves across Lake Michigan, those will be around 4 to 6 feet or higher in some cases all day tomorrow. So wait until Wednesday and Thursday to go to the lake shore. We'll have equal amounts of sunshine, but lower wind speeds and better water conditions. Another chance for rain on Friday.